Welcome to the Hamsi Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Thursday, January 17, 2013. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at 1,449. The Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at 849. We had 94 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and one new 52-week low for the S&P 500. This is a very bullish reading here. We had 18.8% of the total S&P 500 companies making a new 52-week high today. For the volatility, 485,000 contracts traded today with 42 million in total premiums paid. For the dollar-weighted put-call ratio in February, we got a 0.27 reading, which is bearish, with 38% of the total premiums paid. In March, a 0.36 reading, which is bearish, with 28% of the total premiums paid. And April and May, we both got neutral readings with 12 and 13% of the total premiums paid. Here we have the daily chart for SPX. We were up today 8.3 handles or 0.56% for the day. Very nice update here. We continue toward our target. We broke the 1474 level we talked about yesterday. And I'm looking for 1495 as our first target and 1500 next. So we're looking pretty much in line with what we wanted here. Very nice breakout here of the 2012 intraday highs. For SPY, we had a 148 target. Very nice. We broke that target to the upside. Today's high here, as you can see, was 148.42. Pretty nice here. I'm still looking for higher prices. I'm looking for 150 on SPY here as our next upward target. We were breaking out here. Pretty bullish action. For the Nasdaq here, the Qs, here we finally broke out the trading range intraday, but we were not able to close above it. That's somewhat concerning. I still think we're going to the 68.25 on the Qs. I'm still bullish. And I think we're going to start to place here, catch up with the SPY. So let's keep an eye here on the Qs. As for IWM, we have another breakout. A new all-time high here. Finishing almost 1% higher for the day. Very nice here. We touched our 88 target. Broke it to the upside. Very nice. And now I'm sticking to my 90 target. I'm looking for 90 as our next upper target here for IWM. GLD. Very nice action. Interesting. We were down in the morning. We broke this support we had here. And then we started to go up. Nice reversal. As you can see, we have an outside day reversal. We touched the 50-day moving average. And then we sold off quite a bit. I'm still bullish on GLD. Not quite as much now. Yesterday, I said I was not bullish here. I'm still looking for probably a range here. Range bound. And then finding some resistance around the 65 level. The trade we talked about yesterday, long SLV, short GLD, looking very nice today. SLV up 1%, while GLD was up only 0.4%. So still nice here. On SLV, we also have an outside day. And the interesting thing is we barely touched the 50 moving average. So that's important here. We need to see if we're going to be able to break that to the upside or we're going to start going lower. I think with this bullish momentum, we might even go and touch the 31.5. That's the 100-day moving average. So keep an eye on that. I still believe silver is going to outperform gold. So that trade would be still valid here. For CMG, we talked about this yesterday. We talked about getting to this upward resistance from this upward trend line here. Well, today we got here. We were up 3.3%. Very nice here, finding some resistance here. I'm thinking we're gonna go lower and test the lows here. I would be inclined to get short CMG here. Maybe going for the 50-day moving average at 279 with a tight stop. We already filled this gap we had yesterday. I'm even looking for lower prices from the 50-day moving average, so keep an eye on that. Next chart, we're going to look at Netflix. We talked about also Netflix here, maybe giving us a short-term buy signal here on this upward trend, and we broke it to the downside intraday. We hold at a settlement close, but here we have I just drew this other trend line. Maybe we could go even to 95.4 and that then start go higher. So keep an eye on Netflix here. It moves a lot, quite volatile, but it gives good returns when you get the trend right. So I'm still bullish here. I'm maybe thinking on starting a position around 95.50 with a tight stop here on Netflix. And the last chart we're going to look at is Intel. Here we have it. We have the 60-minute chart after hours. It beat expectation, it popped, and then look how it's falling. We're down right now. The next level I'm watching here is 21.29. That's the 20-day moving average on the daily chart. So keep an eye on that level to see if we are able to hold.